Lovelies, let's learn how to make it on Facebook. Most of us, we have given up with Facebook, but recently I came to learn the secret to making money on Facebook, especially if you're already monetized. Also, if you're not yet monetized, please mark this video. Don't turn off, please. You're going to know how to make it on Facebook. Facebook might not be too much of RPM. Your views might not be pay like the way they are paying with YouTube, but you get money. Every $1 matters. So one dollar, if you miss $1, it means you'll not get $100. It means you'll not get $200. You will get $199. I came to learn how to make it with Facebook, and I decided to share with you. There are small few petty things that we underlook, but they give us a plus with Facebook, with content creation, with social media monetization. So this is one secret that I want you to do. I want you to always follow weekly challenges for Facebook. That's what we're going to talk about, weekly challenges. How do weekly challenges help you to grow on Facebook? Meanwhile, good morning, welcome to this mind-blowing video. It might be good afternoon or good evening, wherever you are right now and the time you're going to be watching this video. This is Christine, a lady that says I cannot hold a smartphone and beg for bread. You can start this entrepreneurship, that is social media entrepreneurship, at the comfort of your home, wherever you are at work, without investing anything. What you need to invest in is your social, is your mindset. You need to invest in your idea. You need to invest in your love, and you need to be consistent. That's all. And you have a target. There you'll make it. So there is one secret that I've seen, and it has helped me because I gave it only 1 week and I've seen it works. Don't underlook the weekly challenges on Facebook if you want to make it. What are these weekly challenges? Where do you find weekly challenges? I want you to go to your dashboard. When you go to your dashboard, the weekly challenge always comes. So when it comes, like for me now, it cannot be seen because I've already finished my weekly challenge. I finished it in 5 days. In 6 days, it was done. And there are 2 types of weekly challenges. I always get them on my dashboard there. So that one, like now for me, they are putting good news. You published 103% more posts in the last 7 days, and you got 2k% more new followers. Imagine you get 2k% more new followers. View your insights. There you can go and click and view. But if you don't want to go that, you go down, continue your weekly progress. Your weekly progress, that is where my challenge is. So but for me now, it reads you have 0 tasks left to complete this weekly progress as the time of recording this video. So with this weekly challenges, they are in 2 categories. When you click on that, on weekly challenges on your dashboard, it will take you direct to your progress and achievement. When you reach your progress and achievement, there's a drop down, a drop box. A drop box, it has 3 ways. One is I want to reach more people. 2, I want to maximize my earnings. I want to get a quick start on Facebook. So for me, I always do 2. I always do maximizing my earnings and reaching more people, because maximizing my earnings, all of us, we need to earn. Now that I've already reached, I have more than, I'm going to 20k followers, and of which I think we can hit them. Good news, last week in this challenge we got more than 50 followers. For the first time after like 2 months, we've not been getting those followers. So this is the reason why you should do these challenges, because these challenges, they challenge you, and when you follow them, you end up either growing and even earning more money. So in my weekly challenge, last week challenge, I had aimed majorly on getting more money, maximizing my earnings, and indeed it worked well. In this maximizing my earnings, if you click on that drop box, you'll find their goals, and in my goal there is subscription beginner and start intermediate. So the task was in 5 clusters, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, year 5. 1, create public post with a link to your subscription, because subscription is money. That one, it is one time. The moment you create one public post, it means you're telling people you can subscribe, and if someone subscribes on subscription, that is one cluster of making money. Subscription, people come to get exclusive information, but unfortunately me, I always get one or two, and they're not demanding, so I don't put too much there. But if I get more than 5, it means I'll concentrate more. Then the second cluster is share stars promotional post. Stars is part of the cluster of getting money on Facebook. Then the third is create 30 new public posts. 30 new public posts in 7 days. That is, so it means the more you make public posts, the more you make those posts, the more you are going to get attention, the views, even the likes, the reaction, the engagement. Then create 4 new public reels. Public reels, now the videos and reels are the same. So whenever you create a video and put 4 in 7 days, it means they're saying you can make 4. At least let your maximum be 4. You get it? So in a week, if you make 4 public, it means you finish that cluster. Then the fifth, which was a very good challenge, is get 50 new followers. Where would you get new followers? For you to get these new followers, you have to know what to post and what to post. Most people, like in our niche on how to do this, it's very difficult for people to get attention. So you have to learn a trick of knowing how to post 3 categories of what? 3 categories of content. There is hub content. Okay, let me simplify. There is a content that makes people feel at home, fun, for laugh. Then there is content that is trending. Then there is content that is to teach them something. Those are 3 types of content. So I decided to invest in this type of content, and at least you find I get some new people. I get some people. So like in the weekend, I decided weekend is to post for them what is viral, what they love, and indeed it is going. So these 5 clusters makes you reach your goal so easily. Now if you want, you can go back, like this week, starting with every Monday, you go and click on this week's focus. You can go to say I want to reach more people. If you want to reach more people, it will give you different type of content. I mean clusters, the goals, the challenge will be different because it is about the audience, the location. It will be different from I want to maximize my earnings. So if you follow this, please don't take them for granted. Challenges are very good. Follow them and you'll thank me later. Bye-bye.